Now you talk to him.
Hey guys, this is Train Man Ray, and we've got a train coming here.
Wait, you tell people to look at the crossing. Why is he slowing down? Two isn't? Really? Dang it. It isn't? Mommy, I'm scared. Daddy. Hey.
What, Franny?
I'm scared. I'm scared. You talk to your real fans. Wait, there's no numbers on top of that train. There's no numbers on it. Dude, there's a train coming. Asshole. What the heck? He stopped. Come on, buddy. Is this switching tracks? Did you stop, did he? Wait, that's not a train, that's an airplane. What does it look like to you? An airplane or a train? Well, I wonder what's he hauling?
I hope they ain't stopped because we're sitting here.
What? He just stopped. There he goes. Good God. Look. Quick, there's a freaking train coming. Dumbass driver.
That's what he was waiting for, was that flashing red.
Yeah. He's coming with... Come on down, buddy. Come on down. Come on down the tracks. Come on down the tracks. Is he coming? Oh yeah. That's my ears. I have to cover them. Yeah, wait. Look, we cleared the gates. We cleared the gates.
There's our gates. They're going down.
3971.
Hey, buddy. My looking window.
Engine number 3971.
What did my mom just say?
7806, I think, was the other one.
Hey, look at the lights so flashy. Dang, what the heck is he holding? See, Ray? is he holding? Hey, is this train depot down there, right? Hey.
I don't know, Franny.
Look at him go.
Idaho Forest. Some good lumber there that they're hauling.
Like the train won't stop. Maybe wait for that one to go. That's why he's stopping. Right, see, I mean, why is he slowing down, bro? Why did the train stop for, right? Why is cars having...
Liquefied petroleum gas is in that big, huge tanker.
It's not orange, but it's black. Control is in there. What is that clicking noise, right? What do you stop for, right?
Don't know, Franny.
That was that noise. Right, we're gonna be able to see. Someone quit mocking on tankers like that. Is you gonna stop for more? Or is you gonna stop to leave it there? Right. Oh, I mean, now tree's coming. Right, ammonia is in that tanker. Does that sound good? Do it right. I did it. Yeah, but it can be food there too, you know. Are we recording it right? Is it go on YouTube? YouTube?
Yeah, Franny.
Is that BNSF, no folk salmon? Look at asshole. Is it just how you making that squeaky noise? We got speed, bud. We got speed. Wait, is he picking up speed now? Easy, babe. is that, Ray? Lumber?
It could be.
What?
It could be. I couldn't read what it said on there.
Lumber something.
Oh, no DPU.
Well, that stinks if there's no DPU.
Yeah, they want what they are. No DPU, guys. Sorry.
That's the best part of the train.
No DPU. All right. DPU, where are you?
That's what I say. Where
DPU, I see you.
are you, DPU?
It's hiding. It
It
was.
was
It was.
another one coming.
What?
It's crossing down there.
So that means no one's coming? Right, so that means, wait, look. See the wheel